store information. Without rehearsal, short-term memory has a limited life.
Short-term memory, without further processing, is only going to last most 30 seconds or so.
It also is limited in terms of how much can be stored at any one time.
Most of us can hold in mind, can hold in our short-term memories, maybe, let's say, 7 or 8 unrelated items.
I'm going to give you a sequence of 4 numbers. I want to have you read them back to me. Okay. 7, 9, 0, 2.
7902.
Now I'm going to give you a list of 6 numbers. 6, 7, 3, 2, 4, 1.
6, 7, 3, 2, 1, 4.
Can you say them again?
But if I use 6, 7, 3, 2, 4, 1 again and again, then eventually I'd say, what are the numbers that I used? And you'd be able to tell me. Why? Because with each repetition, as you're listening to that, your brain is recording that information. And eventually these become as strong as our phone numbers, our automobile license plates, our driver's license numbers, and so on.
673 241.
Very good.